took me 10 years to learn this, but I'll teach it to you in 1 minute. Most people don't know the fourth one. 1. Life waits for nobody. Get up every day and keep pushing through no matter what. 2. Make sure you take good care of yourself. If something happens to you, the world will move on and you will fall behind. 3. If you don't work to build your dream life, someone will hire you to build theirs. 4. Work in silence. Celebrate in private. People love to ruin things. 5. Don't regret your past. Just learn from it and move on. 6. No one cares. Work harder to become better each day. 7. Ignore advice from anyone who doesn't live the life you want to live. 8. Rule over your emotions. A calm mind can handle any situation. It is possible that you won't find us again, so like and follow us for daily personal growth videos.